It's great to be talking to you today. So, as we get started, I'd love to understand, what's the mission that you have at Forest Essentials?
Pranav, Forest Essentials is basically, the whole idea was to basically create this brand based on Ayurveda, but with a modern context to it. So something that's relevant in today's world. And I think we were the ones who first pioneered the concept of this back in about 2001. In that situation, we also decided that we were not going to compromise on quality and on ingredients, and hence it's on the more luxury end of the market, prestige, bridge to luxury end of the market. And today, we've also built up our own distribution system where we have over 100 stores across the country. We have we have a thriving website, exporting to almost 170 countries, and that's really what we started out to do. The idea is to actually represent India, not only in India, but also globally.
Nice. And I think when we started off, you had about 60 stores, and now there are more than 100 in just about 2 years, which is amazing.
Yeah, it's been a steady expansion. We've not gone crazy like a lot of other brands do. We've made sure that whatever we've opened is sustainable. We made sure it's profitable, and we made sure that there is a long-term growth to it.
Got it. So how does CRM and retention marketing fit into that purpose?
So I think one is, Pranav, I think as we see, our verticals, grow, the dependence on online seems to be a very major factor for us. I mean, it used to be, less than maybe 10% of our business, and over the years, we've seen it grow to almost 18-19%. So I think it's important to understand and not underestimate the importance of what is going on online. As a brand, we're very suited to go online, not only from a product perspective, but also from getting our story out there, from making people understand who we are, where we make it. So all of this put together makes the internet a very, very strong medium for us. What we also realized is that this is a great channel to actually talk to our consumers, understand what they want, who they are. So a lot of that digging has been going on, and I think in terms of CRM and retention marketing and how we look at loyalty today, I think it's a very, very important tool, because you have to always keep listening to your consumer. Also, with everything that's given out there, reaching the consumer and how you reach them has become very important.
Got it. So how were you doing CRM and retention marketing prior to Zeno?
It was very basic, Pranav. The idea was to actually just reach out to the consumer, right? See what they wanted. It was much more transaction based. It was much more, trying to figure out, understanding and learning on our own. And I think once we, started figuring out the basics, we understood there is a lot more out there that we could do in terms of how we approach this. And it was a very basic start.
So what made you know, like when you wanted to evolve your CRM program, that Zeno is the right partner for you?
When we actually went into this, we did do a lot of research. We tried to see who all are out there. One is particularly in terms of Zeno, I think we got great feedback. There's a good reputation for Zeno out there in the market. And I think more importantly, it's when we met with Zeno, the approach that they had to the business, the kind of interaction and the enthusiasm, I think worked well in Zeno's favor.
Got it. And over the years, what are some of the biggest benefits that you've seen working with Zeno?
There are benefits of working with Zeno. I think if I was to really narrow it down and tell you amongst the clutter, because a lot of the work is standard, it is done by many companies. I think what I like is Zeno having, a company and a team that understands and goes very deep into the consumer, because I think that's the most important part. And I like it that because they actually personalize it, they make sure that when you're reaching a consumer, that you reach them in the right way, that you're reaching the right consumer, not just actually bombarding. Because I think in today's world on the internet, there is so much out there. So how do you really differentiate yourself? Because a consumer is getting bombarded from everything, from everywhere. So I like how Zeno actually takes that selective method. It actually puts a lot of time into understanding this, and then it works very much in detail like we do.
Got it. And like, what is it about working with Fahad, Vinay, and the rest of the Zeno team that really stands out for you?
You know, to me, a lot of work that we do, a lot of business, a lot of relationships, I think is based on the people that we work with. And, you know, ever since I first met the team at Zeno, which I think I did the very first meeting with them, till understanding the feedback from my own teams today, to understanding what's going on in the company, I think what I really like is that they partner with you. It's not just a transaction. It's not just the fact that, you know, we have another client to work with, but I think that this whole personalized approach and the way that they work, and the not only from a work perspective, but even from their personalities, from the enthusiasm, I think it's a great fit.
Perfect. And if for anyone else who's listening out there, right, who might know you personally or might have heard about Forest Essentials or is considering working with Zeno, like, is there any last message that you'd like to leave them with?
Well, I want to be clear, I have no stake in Zeno, so there's no vested interest, but I do want to tell you that I think Zeno is doing a very good job with us. I think it's definitely worth trying to work with Zeno to see the difference in what they might bring to the table as opposed to anyone else.
Got it.